Let Edison Heating and Cooling keep you and your family warm this winter. Edison's most reliable heating experts are here to make sure your unit is running smoothly. We'll diagnose any problems with your existing system and offer efficient quality repairs. Or if you need a new unit or want to upgrade to a more energy-efficient model, we'll help you select just the right one for your home and install it for you. Edison Heating and Cooling, the name Edison families trust to keep them warm all winter long.